Dancehall artists attacked by alien. International Afro dancehall artist Ramsey Margande has turned heads with a bold declaration that he was attacked by an alien, which resulted in a near-fatal car accident. The Atlanta-based Jamaican-born entertainer says he is thankful for life after his car was totaled in a freak accident. The artist claimed that there were a lot of abnormal activities leading up to the accident, and it even continued when he tried to sleep in his home on the same night of the accident. He stated that this might sound crazy, but this actually happened, and to date he is still in shock. I was driving on a typical day when a green frog grabbed my steering wheel, and despite my best efforts, it caused him to crash. My car was written off, but I received only minor injuries to the shock of the police, and I am grateful to be alive. The artist, who has been enjoying a significant buzz in Atlanta underground music scene, as well as in Jamaica and across Africa, says the green shadow, which he described as an alien, visited him at home on the same night of the accident. He indicated that before this incident, he never believed aliens exist. Them say seeing is believing, so I can no longer state aliens are not real. When Foota Hype did come out and say alien attack him, I laughed one whole night straight, but it look like it is my turn now. Me no know if because me song them start create a buzz, them decide to appear. Currently, the entertainer is busy promoting his album as well as singles such as Rich and Bad, Rich Bunks, and UFO. The artist is previously known for his breakout single entitled Rude Boy.